Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Claude AI artifacts to build dashboard in 2026. Alright, so what we need to do basically before building, we will make sure that Claude Workspace features are active. So what we are going to do is head over here to the bottom left corner, click on your name and then go to the settings. From here, let's go to the capabilities, and then we will check if the artifacts are toggled on. If they are not, just press here on. All right. Now, to build an accurate dashboard, Claude needs structure and data. Do not just ask for a chart. So what you need to do is paste your raw text, PDF reports, CSV files in chat prompts. Also, always ask for an interactive dashboard artifact. So let's say something like that, like so, and submit. So once you will hit the submit button, um, it's option that the artifact side panel will automatically open right here on the right side, and you will see something like that Claude writing a code, uh, which you typically using React, Lucid icons, and charting libraries like Recharged and so on. As you can see here now, the Java is in progress, so we need to wait a few moments. Like that. As I mentioned you before, here is the artifact side panel. Now, as you can see right here, it's basically finished like that. All right, so you will see here what you put here into the prompt. So you can go over the bars right here and you see AI assist at 39% adoption. Here is reports adoption 78% and so on. As you can see, it's basically really interactive dashboard, which is pretty cool. Now, the good thing of the Claude artifacts lies in editing the dashboard through natural conversation. So we can now change this dashboard. If we don't like something, we can basically, for example, put here in the prompt few things. So like this one, for example, and then we have also probably this one here. We can do it like so, and it will take a few moments and it will change our dashboard again to what we ask him to do. And this is pretty much it, how you can create and use Claude AI for creating dashboards. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.